How to rejoin the same server in Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now I am inside my Roblox account right here, and the only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and search up RoPro. Now this is not a scam, this is a genuine Chrome extension that you can go ahead and get for your Roblox website. Now from here you can just go ahead and click on install to Chrome. And right here, all you have to do is to click on install to Chrome button right here. Right after installing RoPro to your website or to your browser, you can just head back to roblox.com, and from here you want to click on verify RoPro user. Click on the first option right here. Now this experience will go ahead and open up on your Roblox client. Basically all you have to do is to verify RoPro, and right after we can now go ahead and open up an experience. Let's just say that I'll go ahead and open up this one, the Devos of Creation. Go ahead and click on the play button, and right after, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the my recent servers. Now this can take a while if you've just played this experience right here, but basically all you have to do is scroll down and you will be able to see your servers right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.